All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So in today's video, we're going to take the E300 turbo diesel with a stage 4 Sean Tracy tune and go for a POV drive. I saw somebody's comment that was like, "Oh, how can you install the ECU and then not drive it around?" So me, I got a I got a camera mount for my GoPro to go on my forehead. So hopefully this video turns out well. And then today when we get back, I'm filming this video, but I also let the engine warm up, and we're gonna do the glow plugs because she is having a hell of a time starting, and I owned one of them out. We have like one for sure that's going out and two that's on its way. So let's go for a ride. All right, here we go. Cold start. I already know the glow plugs are gonna struggle. Wasn't as bad, but it definitely could have started better. All right, so we also just changed the oil last night. Put a new rectifier resistor thingamabobber in there, so now the AC actually blows on all of the correct levels. Didn't have that before, so that's nice to have. It does feel weird having a camera to my forehead, but I'm doing it for you guys. All right, so right off the bat with the stage 4 tune, the throttle response is so much better than the factory. I can just tell it feels like it's a lot more pep, you know, because it turns off the mass airflow sensor, EGR stuff. That's a false check engine light for some circuit. I think maybe it's looking for something else. I don't know. I asked Benz injection. They said not to worry about it. And just remember, I've got the Holset HX35 12 centimeter turbo going on from Benz Injection, so big shout out to them. Waiting on my 8mm injection pump. Hopefully my downpipe arrives today. Sorry for the rattling. I gotta fix that window regulator and motor. The window does not perform like it's supposed to. But anyways, yeah, so hopefully the downpipe comes in today. We'll sort out the glow plug issues. We'll take the intake manifold off. Got a new gasket for that. You know, I think from the factory these cars only made like 170 horsepower and like 200 foot-pounds of torque, so it's not a sports car by any means. But once we get done with it and we get that big turbo on there, I think the first thing that's going to go is the transmissions. I plan on upgrading to stiffer valve springs too. We got to do the crank pin mod as well. Like I said, I got the car right at 184,000 miles, maybe 84 or 2. So yeah, I really do enjoy driving this car. Glad to have gotten a good baseline started for the oil and the transmission fluid. Gonna change the rear diff out sometime soon. Gonna do a coolant flush too. But yeah. And I asked, Benz Injection said, you know, I could go ahead and throw in the ECU and then add parts, you know, as they come in. So right off the bat, you know, it's got better performance. Let's get on a little bit. Don't really got much get up and go, but it will once we get that big turbo. But I mean, dude, to be a 99, the interior is immaculate. I really do think I got it rare fine, especially being that it has the HID headlights too. Got to fix the sunroof motor as well. Simple cosmetic things, but we're chasing horsepower first before we do aesthetics. We'll do rims and tires. This daily driver has turned into me putting a lot more money into it than I thought I was going to do. But that's all right. That's what I love to do. All right, we'll go to the floor here. I'd say it's definitely a lot more responsive with this ECU than the stock ECU. I'm gonna take you guys up here to Advanced Auto Parts with me. I've got to get some coolant. Zex, I think I'm getting Zex G05, the one that's recommended for Mercedes 50/50 blend. It's another chilly day out here in North Florida. I got the rear muffler cut off, added a little straight piece of pipe. So if you can hear the exhaust of the video, that's what that is. Other than that, the only thing left on it is, you know, the catalytic converter from the downpipe. Man, it feels so weird wearing a camera on my head. Makes me wonder if people even notice the camera on my head. Alright, so let's pull up here to Advance, get our coolant. This is definitely enough to get the engine warm enough for us to start goofing around with these glow plugs and get them pulled out. Hopefully this project won't take us too long. But yeah, that is gonna be all the time we have for today. Thank you all for coming for a ride with me. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, leave this video a big thumbs up, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this POV angle for these driving videos. Peace.